Now at 5:30, one of the big issues facing Florida voters this year is Amendment 4, which would protect the right to abortion.
Yeah, there's only 18 days to go before Election Day, and next Monday, Floridians will start heading to the polls for early voting.
In Commitment 2024, WESH 2's Justin Shecker reports on a new legal challenge that aims to invalidate Amendment 4.
On April 1st, the Florida Supreme Court allowed the state's restrictive abortion ban to take effect, while also giving voters a chance to restore the right to an abortion after 6 weeks in the state's constitution.
I think everybody should agree that our Constitution is a sacred document and that it shouldn't be amended by fraud and illegality.
Former Florida Supreme Court Justice Alan Lawson is the attorney representing the plaintiffs in a new lawsuit alleging widespread voter fraud in the process that got Amendment 4 on the ballot. The complaint filed in more than 20 counties, including Marion, Orange, and Osceola, says when all fictitious, forged, illegally obtained, or otherwise invalid signatures are removed from consideration, Amendment 4 failed to reach the constitutionally required number of signatures for ballot placement.
In Orange County, a deputy supervisor of elections had her name fraudulently signed on a ballot petition that she didn't sign. And so that's just one example.
Democratic State Rep Ana Escamani says this lawsuit is a politically motivated attempt to silence voters.
I mean, that's the irony of this, is many anti-abortion politicians have said they support the fall of Roe because this should be a state-by-state decision.
The 388-page lawsuit includes this report filed last week by the state's Office of Election Crimes and Security. That report claims the group behind Vote Yes on 4 illegally paid circulators based on the number of signatures they collected.
And so it's really disingenuous and just desperate to see every state agency be weaponized against this initiative.
Floridians Protecting Freedom denies any wrongdoing. A statement sent to WESH 2 News says these lawsuits should be recognized for what they are: a deeply troubling anti-democratic effort to use the judiciary to keep the people of Florida from being able to make their own choice about whether Amendment 4 should become law. While voting has already begun with mail-in ballots, the fate of abortion access in Florida could end up being settled in the courts. Reporting in Orlando, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.
To pass, 60% of voters need to vote yes for Amendment 4. We will keep you posted as the new lawsuits challenging its legality move through the court system. And you can stay up to date on the race for the White House and all of our local races. All you have to do is download the WESH 2 News app and click on the Commitment 2024 tab.